Hello, my friends. Ed Cross here, founder of Restoration Crosscheck. Restoration Crosscheck is a consulting company for restoration contractors that consists of a team of some of the best experts in the business who have recent experience running restoration companies. And on April 8th, before the RIA convention, we're putting on a full-day boot camp called Strategic Strikes to Accelerate Your Restoration Business. It's available for 6 continuing education credits for IICRC, and the focus is going to be customizing pricing to your company that suits your needs and your target margins, adjuster relations and negotiations, as well as collections. So come on down to Dallas a day early for the RIA convention and join us for the pre-convention boot camp with Restoration Crosscheck. If you've already registered for the RIA convention, no problem. Pull up the email that came from meetings@restorationindustry.org. You can use that to log into your registration and add the boot camp to your registration. The boot camp is not included with the ordinary RIA convention registration. We look forward to seeing all of you in Dallas on April 8th. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 833-60-CHECK. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Dallas.